Normand floor coverings have a production residue that needs to be removed before the area is occupied so it doesn't attract dirt and dust. You can also use these steps for periodic restoration. When performing maintenance, always follow the general precautions in the NORA maintenance guidelines. Before any cleaning, allow wet adhesives to cure for 72 hours. If NORA NTX or dry fix tape was used, you can perform the general cleaning immediately. If joints and seams are cold welded, the flooring can be wet mopped after 8 hours, machine scrubbed after 24 hours, and if required, burnished after 72 hours. After these conditions are met, begin by dust mopping or vacuuming the floor to remove any dirt and grit. Microfiber mops promote better dirt removal. Your next steps depend upon the product. For Normand products, remove any adhesive residue and spots of foreign material using Windex or Goof-Off solvent. To remove the production residue or NORA liquid wax, wet mop the floor using a high pH cleaning solution diluted as directed by the manufacturer and allow a minimum dwell time of 10 minutes. Then scrub thoroughly with a floor scrubber using a NORApad 0 or 1 or a blue 3M number 5300 cleaning pad. For Noraplan, including Lona, Lene, and Velua floors, wet mop using a neutral cleaning solution diluted as directed by the manufacturer, allowing a minimum dwell time of 10 minutes. Then, scrub the floor thoroughly with a floor scrubber. Use a light green 3M number 5000 or a red number 5100 cleaning pad, depending upon the amount of soil. You can use a Doodlebug pad holder with a red pad for wall-based cleaning, and in areas where floor scrubbing machines do not reach, for all the NORA premium rubber floors covered in this video. Then, wet vacuum the soiled solution. Rinse the floor with clean water and allow to dry. To increase the shine, you can dry buff Noraplan and Normand floors with a white 3M number 4100 pad.